Now, here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
All right, happy 4th of July. I'm going to start off the forecast a little bit differently than normal. I'm going to start with the evening first because, of course, this evening, very important for everybody watching fireworks out there. And despite the really intense heat today, not so bad by this evening. Temperatures in the low 80s at 8 p.m. and then into the upper 70s from about 10 o'clock to midnight. Now, there will be some patchy fog out there. I don't think that will be much of a visibility issue inland. Places like India Point Park and Providence should be okay. There could be places along the shore which see some visibility issues at times. That's just the type of weather pattern we're in. When we have a lot of humidity after sunset, sometimes you can get those patchy, dense areas of fog. In the meantime, we look at the heat index. These are not actual temperatures. These are feel-like temperatures, feeling like 100 degrees in Taunton, Massachusetts right now. 98 is your feel-like temperature in Boston and Providence, 95. So you can see why this heat advisory has been issued. It's not just the temperature, it's the combination of the temperature plus the very high humidity. These orange shaded areas are where the heat advisory is in effect from Kent County, Providence County, and into northern Bristol County, Massachusetts. I've had some questions asking when the humidity will actually go away. I don't see it going away anytime soon. We're looking at dew points here. It's a measure of how comfortable the atmosphere is, and you can see dew points in the low 70s, upper 60s all the way through next week. And yeah, I don't see that refreshing air mass moving in anytime soon, unfortunately. We take a look at the city of Providence, a little sunlight out there mixed with some clouds. Temperatures, instead of feel-like temperatures now, these are actual temperatures and still pretty warm. 86 in Smithfield. We're almost at 90 in the capital city. We are at 90 in Taunton, Massachusetts. High pressure in control, keeping away most of the clouds and the showers. A slight chance of a few isolated showers in central Massachusetts. I don't see any of those making it into our viewing area today, so we'll be nice and dry for the 4th. Our Futurecast shows that pretty clearly. We go hour by hour all the way through the early afternoon. There are a few showers popping up here in Worcester County, Massachusetts. Then we go into the evening, things clear out, other than the potential of some patchy fog here at the coast. Looking at temperatures in the low to mid 90s today, 93 around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Our record for today is 99 degrees. That's the warmest 4th of July on record. I don't see us breaking that, but certainly this is plenty hot enough with these temperatures. It will be a little cooler here at the coast. Temperatures in the low 80s, 83 in Charlestown. At the beach, looking good, low 80s for temperatures, a mix of clouds and sun. Definitely a little cooler and more refreshing along the water. Northern Rhode Island temperatures in the low to mid 90s, 93 in Johnson, 91 in Scituate. And in eastern Massachusetts, temperatures also in the low 90s, a little cooler from Middletown down into Little Compton. 7-day Futurecast shows a very hot 4th of July parade, obviously already underway. Upper 80s, very humid. It will feel much warmer in the mid 90s. Tomorrow, 92 is the high temperature I have. Saturday and Sunday also quite warm, highs in the low 90s. Next week we could cool things off a little bit with the chance of some showers moving in on Tuesday and Wednesday, but again, no big break in that humidity. Did want to point out there could be a few passing showers Saturday night into Sunday morning, but these look very, very brief, so most of your weekend will end up rain-free. So bottom line, Steve, good for the barbecues out there today, but you might want to be barbecuing in the shade. The shade, a good place to find today. Don't forget about WPRI.com. You can always download apps for your iPhone and your Android phone. A little bit of a hot one out there today, but I know you like the hot, sizzling weather for the 4th.
I do. Nothing feels more like 4th of July than what it feels like outside right now.
Absolutely.
That's the weather you think of right there.
And we have it. It works out.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Pete. We want to take a look right now at what we're working on for Eyewitness News beginning live at 5 tonight. Celebrating our freedom with extra